This segment is brought to you in part by Capital M, CarlyOnTV.com.
Well, last week we were joined by lifestyle contributor Carly Dorogi and learned how to use the Cricut Joy Xtra for all kinds of personalized holiday gifts and decor.
Today, Carly's back to show us how to put that machine to work so it's the gift that keeps on giving year-round.
Thanks for having me. Yes, you are absolutely right. I got my first Cricut machine a few years ago during the holiday season and soon realized that I could put Cricut's capabilities to work year-round. There were so many things that came up, whether it was custom t-shirts for a school spirit day, to making a custom keychain for my daughter's tennis bag, to creating gifts for family and friends. There were just so many things that I could do with my Cricut machine, and it was so fun to discover how much it really could do. Now, I've had a few different Cricut machines, but I am most excited about Cricut's newest machine. This is the Cricut Joy Xtra. It's little and compact, which we love because you don't need a dedicated craft room or space to use it, but it is ultra powerful. The Cricut Joy Xtra can cut over 50 different materials, including heat transfer vinyl and permanent vinyl. So let's talk a little bit about everything that you can do with this amazing little machine. Well, first let's think about Teacher Appreciation Day. How about customizing that plant you're taking to school for your favorite teacher with a little thank you right on the plant pot? Or Mother's Day, we could make a personalized makeup bag for Nana, some shirts for the kids to wear when they wake up mom on Mother's Day morning, and of course, can't forget breakfast in bed. We now have a custom personalized tray with which to serve mom. Let's talk about our book club with our friends. We could bring a personalized wine bag for that great bottle of wine that we're bringing, and maybe even some wine glasses to go with it. And those spirit days at school, friends, do not stress about those anymore because your kid can have a custom shirt for any school spirit day your kid's school throws at you. It's pretty amazing, all of the things that you can discover and do with Cricut. Cricut also has licensing deals with Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, Warner Brothers, and Sesame Street. So you can create projects like these with some of your favorite characters. You know how you see everyone walking around Disney with those custom shirts and their names on it? It was probably made with a Cricut machine. Speaking of those custom projects, it couldn't be easier to create them because all you have to do is go into the Cricut Design Space software, find the project you want to create, and send it right to your machine. They'll hold your hand along the way with tutorials and other community support. It is such an easy machine to use and it couldn't be more fun. For more information on the Cricut Joy Xtra or the full line of Cricut products, you can head to Cricut.com.